everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Amazon credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to apply for Amazon credit card online, then first open up a web browser. In the search box at the top, type in apply for Amazon credit card and press enter. On the next page, you'll be able to see the search result that says apply for a credit card in the credit card marketplace Amazon. This link over here at the top, and this will take you to this customer service page where you can see all of the information that can help you in order to apply for an Amazon credit card in the marketplace. Simply click on this credit card marketplace link over here. Make sure that you are also logged into your Amazon account. Now, choose the credit card you'd like to apply for and give it a click. You'll be able to see this apply now button on the next page. Give it a click. Now, you'll need to verify your account. You'll receive a one-time password on the next page. Simply click on send OTP and you'll receive an OTP in the mobile number that you've registered with Amazon. This is just to confirm that it is you who's trying to make a change on this account. Type in your OTP that you received and click continue. Now fill in the information that has been asked on the next page in order to apply for Amazon credit card. Enter your first name, your middle name if available, and then your last name in the first text boxes. Enter your address line, the name of your city, select your state and type in your zip code. Fill in your phone number and your email address if necessary, and select your statement and communication delivery preference by choosing either online only or by mail, and click on the continue button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, on the next page, you'll need to type in your contact and security information. Type in your social security number or ITIN in the first text box and select your date of birth from the drop-down beneath. Enter your mother's maiden name, and if you'd like to add any authorized user, click on yes and fill in the rest of the information of the authorized person you'd like to add. Or if you don't want to do that, click on no and click continue to next step. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to apply for Amazon credit card online. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.